Friday night and we're not planning to go out this weekend. So we're just gonna stay at home tonight and make Flammkuchen. But it will be a gluten-free Flammkuchen. So it's not me who's cooking tonight. It will be him because it's German food. So the German should cook. So we are going to make a vegan version, vegan and gluten-free version. For the gluten-free version, we just use this all-purpose flour for gluten-free, and then 100 milligram of water, olive oil, and salt. It's for the base, for the dough. And then this is for the topping. It's very simple. It's only vegan cream. We also use this vegan Greek yogurt, yeah, and the schinken, the vegan, what is it? Bacon. And also this, what makes it smell so good, the onion. So let's start. We have music on and I cannot afford to pay for the royalty. So I will just turn off the background music. So first, flour. So this is gluten-free all-purpose flour. If you're not gluten-free, you can just use normal gluten-free flour. I listed all the other ingredients there: olive oil, salt, and a bit of water. Kneaded for around 10 minutes. But now he said that it's a bit crumbly because this is gluten-free flour and usually he made it with a normal flour. So we just leave it there under the wet cloth for around 10 minutes. I'm not just watching, I promise you I'll also help later. So this is for the cream. I've listed the ingredients in the beginning of this video. You can go back and check it out. So now for the topping, I'm preparing the onion. This is critical because this is what makes it fragrant. But oh my, no pain, no gain. So all cut, and now we're going to flatten the dough, make it very flat so it's thin and will be crispy. Because we're using gluten-free flour, so it's a bit crumbly, so you have to be a bit careful when you make the dough. It's easy to rip, so be gentle. Okay, so now this is my favorite part for the topping. So I'm just putting all the onions that I cut before, and this is my favorite part because I can just put anything that I like. I put there for mine because this vegan bacon has wheat flour in it, so I cannot eat it because it's gluten. So for mine, I just put mushroom, and you can just put anything you like.
In the middle, and nothing will happen, yeah?
It was intense. So now we just put it on the oven. We preheat it for maybe around 10-15 minutes, 180 degrees, for around 10 to 12 minutes, and then it's done. Oh, look at that, very crispy, and it smells so good. So this is the gluten-free vegan Flammkuchen or German pizza. It's this thick and crispy. Now we can enjoy it while watching our favorite TV show. Look at this beauty. I really like Flammkuchen because of the dough. It's thin and crispy. The recipe is super simple and delicious, so try and let me know in the comment what do you think about Flammkuchen. Hope you like it too, and see you in the next video.